Hey everybody, Marty here with Kärcher North America, and today I have with us the newest member of the Chariot family, the Chariot Heavy Duty. The Chariot Heavy Duty comes from a proven, reliable platform of the Chariot 3 with some major structural improvements to reinforce the capabilities. And today we're going to be talking about the features and benefits of the new Chariot Heavy Duty. This new die-cast aluminum brush deck has easy debris bin access, easy brush access, and provides superior cleaning with a single pass pre-sweep and scrubbing function. And with that, you've seen the benefits of the new Chariot Heavy Duty. Designed for harsh industrial environments without compromising cleaning efficiency, this new machine provides solutions to customers on the Chariot platform that we have yet to see. And we look forward to seeing how it solves your problems. When clean matters most, think Kärcher.